So, this is the new skateboard. As you can see, its name is Plank because it's a literal plank of wood. It's running off of a 16,000 milliamp hour LiPo and a 9,000 milliamp hour LiPo. Granted, I am going to put two of those 9,000 milliamp hour LiPos in parallel. It's got San Clemente back wheel or front wheels, Meepo back wheels, just because it's best for turning. I over-drilled that hole a little bit too much. It's heavily imbalanced. I mean, if you try and pick it up, it instantly tips back. It's pretty good with turning. It's got the motor controller from the back. I used an extension that I made a long time ago to get through. I don't know the hardness, and I probably should tighten them a little bit. They are a little bit too loose. And yeah, this is literally just from a plank of wood. So that's yeah, that's the skateboard, also known as Plank. I mean, you can even see the Sharpie marks from when I did it. Oh yeah, that's also fish tank from the original bike. So yeah, it's pretty awesome.